Hello, everyone. My name's Dr. Rahm. I have a cookbook called Cure the Causes. I grew up with my grandfather getting me up at like 5 in the morning, sitting me on the counter, and teach me how to cook. Starting in 6th grade, we had to take turns cooking. My sister and I would alternate every other day. I even thought I was going to win a contest that I submitted to Julia Childs.
Hi, I'm Julia Child. I'm doing a very special meal.
I didn't win, but I still love to cook. As a mother of 4, it's been something that really joins our family together. My son Preston and my daughter Merritt love making recipes like I used to make. But for me, I think besides the fact that it brings families together, besides the fact that when you eat and break bread, you're really enjoying each other's company and learning from each other and spending quality time, mothers should be patted on the back and rewarded for how many times they cook and they love their children through the food they create. But this cookbook helps mothers even go a step further and not only taste food that's amazing, but also help support their bodies if they have different illnesses, diseases, or autoimmune disorders. The goal is to get to the cause of what's causing so many issues in this world. And so combining the science, the beautiful art of cooking, and the love that's put into everything you make as a mother, I think is very important. So scientifically, I address the emotional, mental, physical, and spiritual health of everyone in the book. With my background as a mother and a psychologist and an artist and a scientist, I really wanted to bring it all together. Since I've traveled to 87 countries, I've been exposed to a lot of different herbs, plants, vegetables, and fruits that we don't naturally lean on here in the United States. I wanted to address all of that and bring it together in a package to really help people's lives. It's one thing to love what you eat, but you need to eat to live as well. So I hope everyone enjoys the book. It was made for my family and for yours so that we could be the best moms, daughters, husbands, brothers, and siblings that we can be. And know while we're cooking with love, we're also cooking with health and wellness so we can be the great bodies that we're meant to be.